Hi, we are doing logarithm. What is given? Given is 3 log x plus half log y is equal to 2. Now what we will use? We will use the law of logarithm. That is n log a is equal to log a raised to the power n. So 3 log x will become log x cube and half log y will become log y raised to the power half is equal to 2. Now again we will use the law, that is log a plus log b is log a into b, right? So now this will become log, this one will become log x cube into y raised to the power half is equal to 2. Now what is this? Is y raised to the power half. Anything raised to the power half is square root. We know this. X cube into square root of y is equal to 2. Instead of 2, what we can write? We can write log 100. Why? Because log 100 to the base 10 is log 10 square, and again the rule it will follow, and log 10 to the base 10 is 1, so 2 is log 100. And if the base is not given, it means it's 10, right? So now x cube root y is equal to 100, root y is equal to 100 by x cube. Fine, because we had to express y in terms of x. Now if you want to remove the square root, what you do, the square root is actually y raised to the power half. So if you multiply by 2, the square root will get cancelled. So squaring both the side. So to remove the square root, what you have to do? Squaring both the sides. So it will become y का square root, इसको square करेंगे. This side also you will square. If you do something to the right hand side, you have to do to the left and vice versa. So this will become y and this will become 100, sorry, square root it is 0 by 3 into 2. You multiply the power with the powers, so 3 will be multiplied with 2 and it will become x raised to the power 6. So y is 10,000 by x raised to the power 6. Now here from here I'll show you the other way, that is log x cube root y is equal to 2. So you can change, this has no base means 10, you can change it into exponential form. How do we change it into exponential form? It is log, if it is log a to the base 10 is equal to b, what it becomes? 10 to base ही रहता है and the log is changed with the answer. So it becomes 10 raised to the power b is equal to a. So this can become 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to x cube root y. That is 100 by x cube is equal to root y. Again squaring both the sides, you will get this side, squaring both the side like this. What you will get? Y this side and this will become 10,000 and 3 into 2 x raised to the power 6. Either do this way or write 2 as log 100, do this way. Any which ways you can.